So after we select the features, we create a logistic estimator. So this logistic model is nothing but adaptation of linear regression to the problem of classification. This logistic regression model is used to describe data and to find the relationship between the binary dependent variable and one or more ordinal, nominal or ratio level independent variables. So we create with logit function, we create a logistic estimator with the logit function where we specify the dependent variable, that is booking, and the features, and we also specify the parameter that missing multiple drops, and then we create this estimator and we fit and model and check the results by summary function. So you can say optimization terminated successfully and iteration 7, current function value 0.27. So the results are displayed, that is dependent variable is booking, number of observation 63,000, model logit, method is maximum likelihood estimation, then whether the model has converged or not. So it's converged, so it's mentioned true, and the coefficients. Then we check result dot params. So you can see for the different features the coefficient. Now we need to convert this logit coefficient to odd ratios. So the basic idea here is that we interpret this odd ratio, that if odd ratio is less than or if the odd ratio is greater than 1, then the probability that it belongs to the second group, and if it is less, then the probability that it belongs to the first group. So we need to convert this logit coefficient to odd ratio. So we convert this with np dot expression, and then we store results dot params in params. Then we create a odd ratio field and create, label the columns, and then finally np dot expression of the con. So now here you can see the label, the features and the conversion in percentage and the odd ratio, that if the odd ratio greater than 1, then the possibility in the second group. Then we fit the predicted values. So create a new variable sample predict and predict on the dataset with var list, that is the features. Then we plot the variable versus the marketing channel. So your variable is channel and the booking. So the marketing channel and booking. So we sample the data set is grouped by channel and booking, and we take the average. So you can see that channel 4 has, channel 10 has good. So we plot the variable versus the marketing channel and see the output. Now we want to see the plot of for this, like if you want to see that what marketing channel and what booking. So we define a function plot booking versus marketing channel and specify the variable, that is days in advance. Then you create a pivot table, name it as group, so your pivot table will have the predicted values and the channel, and then we take the aggregate function, that is average, specify the colors for the graph, and then iterate to each channel, that is unique in each channel, and then append and plot the data. So if you see here, so plot booking versus marketing channel with respect to days in advance. So your days in advance is the variable again which you are comparing the channel, marketing channel, and probability of booking, that is 1. So here you see that channel 5 has high probability and also you can see that initially when days in advance is between, like say 100 days, the channel has good probability, like people booking through this channel. So you can see channel 5, then channel 9. Similarly, if you want to see that booking and whether the customer adapted or has opted for package, and whether it has any influence with days in advance. So we define a function plot booking versus is package, considering showing the results with days in advance. So here you can see the customer has taken package, so his package is 1. So customer who has not taken package has booked. So we plot booking with versus package and with respect to days in advance. So you can see the probability of booking within, say, days in advance 300, but here you can see that there's a spike. So probability of booking and with respect to days in advance. Now similarly, if you want to say see booking versus is mobile, whether customer has used mobile for booking and with respect to days in advance, we write a function where it is similar to the above two functions. We just change the attribute with which we are comparing. So here you can see so customers have used is mobile, that is mobile is true. Customers has used mobile for booking, and the probability of booking with respect to days in advance. Okay, so with this we conclude our tutorial for customer segmentation. We saw a particular case study where we had this hotel booking data, and we tried to address these 3 questions that were in hand, that is, what were the underperforming and overperforming segments, then what new strategies can be crafted, or what cities can be focused, and how to improve the booking. We address this and objectives. So the code, the relevant code and the data will be shared on my GitHub page. The description will be given in the video comment link. You can check out github.com/Ajay AJAY ARUNACHALAM. Thank you.